Hey everyone, it's time to do a quick comparison between the Note 8 and the Note 9. The 2018's model versus 2017's Samsung flagship model. So let's get started. The Note 8 has a 6.3-inch screen. The Note 9 with the same width and the height is supporting a 6.4-inch. They've done so by reducing the bezels of the bottom, and on the top you'll see it's almost the same. Both have the screen density 1440 by 2960 pixel density. This came out with Android Nougat. This came with Android 8.1. This has been updated to Android 8 with Samsung Experience of 9.5. Recently they have updated this with the AR emoji camera as well and the super slow-mo. You got this out of the box on the Note 9. The basic model of these both support 64 gigs for the Note 8, 128 gigs of the Note 9. Both have 6 GB RAM. The Note 8 has 3300 mAh battery, which is horrible. The Note 9 comes with a 4000 mAh battery. Finally, Samsung got it right. Both have the fingerprint reader, but you can see on the Note 8 it was placed next to the camera, and which was really bad. For the Note 9 you'll get it beneath the camera, which is relatively better. In my opinion, if Samsung would have put it over here, that would have been much better, but this also works. On the front you get the iris scanner or the facial unlock. For the Note 8 you can't use both, but on the Note 9 there's a technology called intelligent scan, in which it uses both the iris scan and the facial unlock feature, which is really great, which is really fast. I will just show you in a moment. And you have a dual speaker setup on the Note 9. You don't have it on the Note 8. Samsung, I'm really happy that you included the dual speaker setup finally on the Samsung models as well. A dual camera on the both. The Note 8 has a fixed aperture, but whereas the Note 9 you will be getting a variable aperture. You can change it from 1.5 to 2.4 as you like. Coming to the other features, the screen resolution of the Note 9 is much better than the Note 8. You'll get almost everything the same. This is a $1,000 phone. You'll still be getting this from $700 to $800. So in my opinion, if you're spending $800 on the Note 8, it's rather to spend $1,000 on the Note 9, which is better. Both support the S Pen, but the best thing about the Note 9, the S Pen is now a Bluetooth supported S Pen. You can activate the camera. You can do anything with this phone, with this S Pen. If I double tap this, if I long press it, the camera app will open. If I double press it, the selfie camera will open. If I double tap it back, the rear facing camera will open. With one click I can take a picture. So this is one of the best things of the Note 9. The S Pen is powered by Bluetooth. You need to charge it by putting this back in, and with the Note 9 you didn't get these features. Bixby, this has Bixby 2.0, which is better than the previous Bixby of the Note 8. Other than that, you won't be getting much of a difference, but the difference I just mentioned, in my opinion, are way important for anyone to shift to the Note 9. If you're coming from the Note 8, if you're coming from the previous version of the Notes, just buy the Note 9. Don't even think about the Note 8, in my opinion. That's about it. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Press the bell icon